Hey, third grade. Today is Tuesday, December 8th, and we are just continuing practicing working with fractions. Today, we will be solving problems by partitioning objects among two or more recipients so that we can represent fractions. So I have a video here for you explaining what this looks like. And then you guys are going to model doing that. So in this video, you have an alien and he wants to make his own Earth food, and he's going to be splitting up these waffles between himself and 3 of his alien brothers. So he's going to be splitting up 3 waffles between 4 different people. So you need to make sure that you watch this video so you understand how to solve this problem first. And then there is going to be a solution, and you need to remember to write in a complete sentence using a capital letter at the beginning and a punctuation mark at the end. And then again, I have another video for you guys here doing the same thing. And then here's another one. You're going to be partitioning these crackers between 2 alien children. So you have 3 crackers and you're splitting them between 2 alien children. How many is each alien child going to receive? Again, here is some more partitioning objects. And then this is what you're going to be solving, this problem here. And then again, just like I did yesterday, I have a couple more problems. I don't have an example of them, but I just kind of want to see where we are and what we're understanding. So here's 2 problems for you to solve on your own. And then that is what we're going to be doing today. And then today you'll be working on reflex math. It is an expectation that you are getting on reflex math every single day that I have it assigned. And that is your daily activity for the day. And there are going to be days where I take reflex math as a grade. And I'm not always going to tell you what that day is going to be. Remember, if you need any help, you need to hop on to office hours or send me a message or an email.